Welcome back, Effortless Techies, and thank you so much for tuning in for another video. Have you ever had a data set that had reoccurring instances of a particular phrase and you only wanted to change specific instances of that phrase depending on the position of the phrase? Well, I'm going to show you how to do just that using the find and replace with a little special character. Scenario 1 is going to be placing an asterisk at the beginning, scenario 2 at the end, no asterisks at all, and an asterisk at the beginning and the end, and I'm going to show you the impact of each of these options. So on my keyboard on a MacBook, I'm going to go ahead and select the short key Control and the letter H to present my find and replace window. And with that open, I'm going to go ahead and let's look at scenario 1. But before I do that, let's take a look at the data that we're working with today. I have some product data that shows colors, sizes, barcode, weight, unit of measure, and variant price. What we're going to be adjusting today are our colors. Now, this one is very friendly for small business owners or business owners in general. If you have product data that you are updating because you're maybe discontinuing some colors or adding colors to your product lines, you can go ahead and make these quick adjustments using find and replace to do that across a large set of data quickly. So we're going to make adjustments today to the gold colors. We have antique gold, regular gold, light gold yellow, and then gold yellow. And I've just made these colors up to show you the impact of using the asterisk in various positions. So we're going to start with the first option, which is placing the asterisk at the beginning and then the color. And we're going to I'm going to use brass for my replacement for this video. So anything that is before gold and the word gold, I want you to replace with the word brass. Okay. So again, take a look at our colors here, and then we're going to look at that impact. All right, so we're going to do a quick back and forward. So I'm going to show you what happened here. All right, so antique gold went to brass because, again, it was looking at anything that was before gold and the word gold. Let's see the impact to regular gold. It went to brass because there's nothing before it. Light gold yellow went to brass yellow because yellow was after the word gold. And then gold yellow went to brass yellow as well. So again, anytime there was a word that was before gold and including the word gold, it changed it to brass. All right, let's go back to our original scenario. Now we're going to take a look at what happens when you place the asterisk at the end. So again, I'm going to hit Control H on my keyboard. We're going to remove that asterisk from the beginning and place it at the end. And we'll do a before and after on this one as well. All right. So here we have antique brass, brass, light brass, and brass, okay? So this was taking a look at any instances where gold and anything after gold was changed to brass, okay? So we have antique gold is now antique brass because, again, we're looking at gold and any text after it. Gold went to brass. Light yellow gold went to light brass. And gold yellow went to brass. All right, that's a scenario of when the asterisk is at the end. So now let's take a look at, which I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with this one, when we don't use an asterisk at all. Again, Control H on my keyboard, get rid of my asterisk, and you'll see it's gonna replace any instances of gold and replace it with brass. So it keeps any preceding and ending text that surrounds the value, the text value that you put into the find and replace. So now let's move on to what happens when we put an asterisk before and an asterisk after. I'm pretty sure you guys are on to what I'm going to show you, but we're still going to do it. So let's go back to our original setting. I'm going to hit Control H on my keyboard to bring up this box, and I'm going to do an asterisk before and an asterisk after. Replace all, and boom. Now this one actually might be very helpful. Let's say you were updating your product items and any color that was gold, you are now getting rid of all those variations and just going to brass. This is what would help you do that, placing that asterisk before and after. So those are the various scenarios of how you can use an asterisk to specify the text that you want to find and replace using the find and replace function in Excel. Quick rundown: by putting the asterisk before, you are telling Excel to replace any text before and the specific text that you identified. In scenario 2, when you place the asterisk at the end, you are telling it to replace that specific text and any following text. When you have no asterisk, you are only telling it to replace that specific text value. And when you place the asterisk before and after, you are saying, wherever you see this word gold or this phrase, I want you to completely erase whatever is existing and replace it with whatever I've asked it to be replaced with. If you find this one useful, go ahead and thumbs it up, but definitely make sure you save this for your future projects. And just like that, you too can tech.